Hello everyone, just wanted to quickly show you how to use Tailwind CSS with React Native Expo. We're going to be using something called Nativewind. It's a pretty fantastic package and it's up to date and maintained, and I think they're coming out with version 4 soon, if I'm not version 3, my bad. But regardless, it's very straightforward. I'm using a bare bones Expo project with TypeScript. So first you need to install Nativewind. Now I'm using npm, but you can use pnpm, whatever you really need to use. Perfect. And after Nativewind has been installed, we can do Tailwind CSS. Now here's the issue that I ran into. You gotta do version 3.3.2. Currently it's version 3.3.3, which has a bug that causes it to fail on Expo. So once we do 3.3.2, everything should be good. Let's initialize that. So CSS init. This should create the config file for our Tailwind CSS file. There we go. Now we want to update this with the path that we want the Tailwind CSS to take effect on. So I'm just going to use the bare bones one that Nativewind is providing. This is going to target my app.js file or tsx file, but you also want to mention your custom directory, whether you're using your own source file or using the new tabs directory that Expo Router 2 provides. Once this is done, we just got to update our Babel plugin. So just get the plugin from here and put that into Babel. Perfect. Once we do have Babel running though, we would need to restart our server. So let's do that. Once that's running, let's update our iOS as well. There we go. Okay, and at this point, Tailwind setup is up and running. Let's remove our styles completely. We don't need that. Okay, perfect. Let's do flex 1, justify center, and items center with a BG gray of 300. And there we go. Let's update the text as well. Actually, before I update the text, you can see that this class name is complaining, and this is a TypeScript error. So Nativewind does talk about this as well. All you need to do is create an app.d.ts file and paste this comment in there. But that wasn't really working for me, so I did my-app.d.ts, which definitely fixed it for me. And as you can see, no more errors. And you'll get the class name as an autocomplete now as well. So let's do text to Excel, bold, and there we go. Let's decrease this. Hello world. Perfect. And I hope that helps. Happy coding, everyone.